I'm going to show you how to make carrot cake cupcakes. I prefer to measure ingredients using a scale because you get way more precision with your measurements. You don't have to do as much dishes, and it makes it really easy for if you want to double or half a recipe. I'll also show you the measurements in cups if you prefer to do it that way or if you don't have a scale. First, grate enough carrots to get the amounts that you need. Then place them into a medium-sized mixing bowl. And add in the brown sugar. Mix them together and set the mixture aside and let it sit for an hour. Doing this will help the carrots release a lot of liquid, making your cupcakes really moist and soft. Then preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a large bowl, add in the eggs and beat them with a stand mixer or an electric hand mixer for about a minute on high speed. With the machine running on a medium speed, slowly add in the sugar and turn it up to high speed again and beat for another minute. Then add in the oil and the vanilla extract and mix them in well. Then add in the canned pineapple that has been drained and crushed. Then in a separate bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon, and whisk them together to combine them. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix them on low speeds just until combined. Be sure to not overmix. Scoop the batter into muffin trays lined with paper liners. I like to use an ice cream scoop to do it. Then bake them in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Once they're done, remove them from the oven, let them cool slightly in the pans, then transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely. Then frost them with the cream cheese frosting. The recipe for that is on the Red Velvet Cupcakes video.